Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from TCS. Finally, TCS Code Vita Season 10 registration is open, and this year also TCS is going to hire lot of candidates through Code Vita, and there is no percentage criteria. If you have any graduation degree, then you are eligible, and all streams are eligible. But your year of passing should be either 2025, 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 or 2020. And what is the exam pattern, I'll tell you in this video. And now let's talk about how to apply step by step guide. So when you click on the registration link, then you which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can read about what is Code Vita. Here you can see last year Code Vita hired more than 3,50,000 students from 98 countries. So how to register? Just click here, register, or you can click here, register login. Here you need to enter your email ID. So but here you need to sign in, or you can register here. But if you are new user, then you need to click here, register. When you click here, register, then you can choose your country, like India or rest uh, of the world. So you can choose India. After that, you can see uh, eligibility. Okay, so you can see eligibility. Here you need to enter your email ID. Let me fill my email ID. Let me fill all the details. After that, I'll come back on this. Okay, so I have filled all the details. Okay, here I need to click here checkbox. After that, you need to click here, register. When you click here on the register, email ID already exists. Okay, let me put another email ID, username, sorry. So just write code with Anurag. Okay, just for sake of simplicity. And yeah, one. Okay, so I need to choose my password again. Okay, so this is my username and name and email ID. After that, just click here, register. Here you need to select your country. Okay, again you need to select your country. So select here India. After that, you can accept here, just accept here. After that, you can see you need to verify your email ID. So let me open my email ID, and I'll tell you how to activate your email ID. Okay, so here you can see I got email. Okay, so Code Vita season 10 registration confirmation mail. So I just need to click here, link to email address verification. When I'll click here, so it's saying thank you for registering with Code Vita season 10. So okay, that's it. So for now you don't need to do anything. Okay, so we are registered. So this is the simple step. After that, after few days they will send you mail, and then you need to fill some few details. Okay, but they will inform you, don't worry. But just regularly keep checking your email. And now let's talk about what is the exam pattern. So what is the exam pattern? So there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be pre-qualifier. Round In pre-qualifier you will have 6 hours, and round 2 will be qualifier. Again you will have 6 hours. And after that, when you click round when you qualify round 2, then you will be in grand finale, and grand finale is the last round, main important round. And here you can see you can use any one of the following languages, like programming languages: C, C++, C sharp, Python, Java, Perl, PHP, Ruby. These are the programming language you can choose. Okay, so this is the exam pattern. I'll make another video to give some detailed idea about the exam pattern, how which type of questions they will ask in pre-qualifier, qualifier, and grand finale. Don't worry, just subscribe this channel so that you don't miss any important updates. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. And you can join our Telegram channel. I'll put link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.